Which was the first biosphere reserve in India? Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Which Kerala district has the maximum forest cover? Idukki. Who is known as father of Indian environmental science? R. Mishra. Which is the first national park in India? Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. When there is a discharge of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, it will cause acid rain.